Good afternoon from a very muggy, possibly thunderstormy Peterborough. Today's little video, I'm doing a bit of a water change, try and get my pH value down. The fish are all up at the top simply because I've walked in there with my wellies to clean the side of the pond and I must have disturbed all sorts of little tidbits. So they're well happy with that. Cat is playing in the mud. She's putting hanging baskets up, bless her. Not my department, somebody else's department. In here, progress report on the shower. Working an absolute treat. This filter floss is going to get hammered with all the rubbish I've disturbed. So that will be changed in a couple of hours time. At the moment, it can stay as it is. Andy Daly mentioned using the pressurised grey pipe. That's what I'm looking at now. That gets you out of all sorts of problems. I dare say from that joint at the bottom, the 3 to 1.5 inch joint, to this pump can be done with various permutations of 1.5 pipe work, but take away all the hassle simply by using that pressure pipe. That is 50mm, so you need a 50mm to 1.5 reducer. Other things that I've been thinking about, because my mind never seems to rest, is I wanted to try and put a T-piece from the bottom drain valve and then come out for a sieve, but clearly there is not enough space. So I'm sort of meandering wise, could I actually put a valve or a T-piece in that little section of waste pipe? So basically I'm taking the water from the dirty side of the filter and then pump that up to a sieve. And this is me rambling on. It'll probably come to nothing, but I've got to ramble on anyway. Little extras that I've done is just in there I've now fitted an isolation valve so I can turn my external air, or my little 4 air stones, on and off. I don't have to go outside and do it now, so that's fine. And I've also found, from where I used to live in my flat, an anti-condensation heater which has been bouncing around in my shed for ages. Bought myself a thermostat, plugged it in, and that will be used in winter time. So I'm trying to use as much stuff as I can. So I think that's about it for in here. I'll just go down the bottom end of the garden and I'll show you another discovery, and you probably suffer the same fate as me. And here we are down in my shed, and look at that, all these pipe fittings that I've had really good ideas that have ended up either hung up, got a big piece of pressure pipe there, so just hung up over a nail, tiers that have been stripped out but I hasten to add not damaged, and then I've got all this lot in here, 3-inch tees, 3-inch elbow. Yeah, that's a good idea, Steve. Yeah, good lad, it's not a waste of money. And even down to a couple of non-return valves. I don't think I'll ever use them, but I need somebody with a lathe who can turn them out, and I don't. But anyway, that's that. I've also got a 2-inch spray bar, and we know why I've got that. Right, I'm going to put some clay in my pond, and I've just banged my head on the shed, but I'll keep that in because it's hilarious for me as well. Don't you lift them yet, I'll lift them.
I'm just getting this out while you're busy.
Thank you very much. So just a little look at these fish. There must be some tasty grub down there because they have just absolutely trashed that area. Yeah, quite happy with that. So that was the original return that you can now see just above the waterline. And that's refilling over in the other corner. So that's going to take a little while to fill, but then tomorrow I'll check my pH values again. Hopefully a bit of rain and a drop of acid might help me out on this, but we'll keep doing the water changes and then I'll start looking into other ideas. So there we are with that. Hope you have a nice day. I'll catch you later.